It's now URA Laban Tebeta. Norman Namanya tries to go from a distance to the hands of the goalkeeper, playing under very comfortable and favorable. Well, head coach Paul Put, Uganda Cranes head coach, along with his assistant on a phone call is Omulangida Sam Simba Bamweyana. Laban Tebeta, James Begesa. Oh, Begesa now with a quickly ball to try deliver the cross. Crosses in, heavy ball inside. Sekaji gone his weaker foot. URA and now Norman Namanya didn't control just right in front of the goalkeeper Kafumbe Joseph. Begesa James. Chene will be coming on for URA as likes of Aliro Moses was also being introduced into this kind of a test game where these two sides are vying in for nothing but 3 points of the day. Senjobe. Well, that ball was matched from Eric.